Live action. I'm Anthony with Massey Toyota. Thank you so much for your interest in a new 2019 Toyota Camry XSE versus the SE with the XP package. One of the major differences is going to be your rims. As you can see, they're both uniquely designed for each model. Technically, the XP package is going to have 18-inch alloy wheels. Notice your red caliper is going to be unique, while the XSE is going to feature your 19-inch wheels with your blacked out chrome adjusted center inlays, as you can see there as well. Your headlamps are also going to be slightly different. Notice you're going to have your extra LED headlights there. They're going to be a little extra as opposed to your SE, XP, and your LE is also going to have the similar headlight structure as both of those vehicles. One thing you will love is all Toyotas do have your Toyota safety sense, whereas most accidents tonight are caused due to poor visibility. So all Toyotas are going to have your automatic dimming headlamps. So they'll automatically brighten and dim as, of course, you approach someone or someone approaches you. I also love that whether it's the LE or entry-level model L model versus the fully top-of-the-line XSE V6, you're going to have safety for everyone, which means you're going to have automatic dimming headlamps. You're going to have your lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian alert, and your dynamic radar cruise control is also going to be standard on all your new Toyotas as far as that is concerned. Another thing that I love about the XSE is it has your smart key capability, so you may gain access to your vehicle without removing the key from your pocket and or purse, ladies. You can simply reach for the door handle to unlock it, and you simply touch those indentations on the handle in order to lock it. This model, again, by it being the XSE, it's going to also have your blind spot monitors integrated in your mirrors. The XSE is going to feature your perforated soft tech leather integrated seats. Both of the front seats are going to be leather and heated. Your driver's seat is going to be an 8-way power driver's seat with lumbar support, while your passenger seat is going to be a 4-way power seat. Automatic dimming headlamps, again leather wrapped steering wheel. This particular model is going to have your panoramic moonroof coupled with your JBL upgraded audio system and your navigation package or system as well. And all Toyotas with your Toyota Care are going to give you 2 years, 25,000 miles, complimentary maintenance. You may take it to any Toyota dealership in the United States and your maintenance is going to be complimentary. It also includes roadside assistance if you have a flat tire, run out of gas, need to jump, need to be towed or winch. Toyota's going to send someone out to you as well. That's actually the first 2 years unlimited miles for that roadside assistance. You'll notice we have our Yeti coolers. We're going to be giving away one of these at the end of every month, so come in for a test drive. Not only will you get the best test drive or demonstration that you've ever received, you also should enter for a chance to win one of these coolers we've given away for thus far this year, and again, we're going to be giving away one at the end of every month. Now we have the XP or SE model with the XP Package Edition. Again, notice your upgraded alloy wheels, 18-inch black gloss, KMC Maze alloy wheels. It's going to have your soft tech integrated seats, as you can see. And all Toyotas have navigation for everyone. So although this one doesn't have the navigation package that's going to be included, assuming that you have a smartphone, there's an app you can download called Scout GPS. And again, that will give you GPS with turn-by-turn directions as far as that navigation is concerned. Again, I'm Anthony with Massey Toyota here in Kinston. Awesome dealership. We also are a winner for the 20th time for the President's Awards. A very distinguished honor granted on to dealerships that maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction, retention in our service as well as our sales department. We certainly will continue to do that, not just before the sale, but afterwards as well. We want you to be a customer for life. Reach me anytime directly at 252-259-5030. And again, I'm Anthony with Massey Toyota here in Kinston.